Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 40 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app and enter menu. Go to settings, Google Assistant and go to voice match. Enable Hey Google function, tap next, agree and continue. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Make sure that assistant responses on lock screen are also enabled. And now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.